Hello, welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins, and welcome to the video. This video is in the post video, as you might be able to gather from the stamps that I'm showing. Just some standard postage stamps there, and this one here came to me and it's absolutely full of stamps. I don't know what happened here. I noticed the person who sent it to me actually knows that I collect stamps, but there is an awful lot here. We got 1.5p of Darwin's, different Darwin ones. We have the Girl and Boy Scouts. We have disability. We have something to do with entertainment, maybe the opera or things like Shakespeare. We have a Winnie the Pooh and Peter Rabbit coin, one there. Coin, no, you said coins then. So there's a fair different amount in there, which will add to my collection. They all are fairly low value ones, and that's why there's so many of them making up the postage for this. Postage is round about this year, so that's that. I've gone a little bit backwards and a little bit mad. I bought a lot of filler coins that I needed for my collection. This first one is via Macamola. He very kindly got me in touch with his friend Jude, so thank you, Jude, for this. He showed this coin on his website, on his channel, and I've sort of said to him I'm after that one as well. And apparently Jude had a second one and kindly sent that on to Glenn Macamola, and he posted it on to me, and I paid what it cost him to get it to me and for the coin itself. So I'm very glad to have that one in my collection, and a big thanks to Jude S. The next one is a token, and it's from the London Mint, and as you can see on there it says Team GB. Team GB this year we have, of course, the Paris Olympics, and on the other side of this token is the Road to Paris, so we know which one it's for. I'll be doing a full review of all of this stuff later on. And keeping with tokens, I went and I bought 3 sets of tokens. Now, you may have seen I have done token series before, or token bags before. The problem with those ones were they were very much a big bag of tokens that I bought, and a lot of them were for fruit machines, parking meters and all the rest of it. These are older ones. These are 17th, 18th and 19th century tokens. The only one I think I've missed out that's a major token deliverer was the Co-op. I didn't buy any of their stuff, but I have ones with Druid's heads from miners in the Isle of Man. I have ones from copper companies, and I have ones that could be 18th, 19th century, and a couple of maybe gaming tokens. Again, I haven't done full research on these, so therefore when I do, I'll bring the valued three to you. And last but no means least, this is a set I've been trying to get hold of for a while, but never quite pulled the trigger. It's 5 coins from the Isle of Man, and it was a series they did a little while ago, and there's the main character. It's Rupert the Bear. So there's five characters: Rupert, Algie, Porky, Bill, and Edward. 5 of the characters from the Rupert the Bear series, from his comics and all the rest of it, and I will be doing a full review of that one in the very near future. So we have a full set of Rupert the Bear 50p coins from the Isle of Man. We have, let's take it right out, we also have 3 bags of 17th and 18th and 19th century tokens. And the last part, or the last 2 coins, one is a token again, but it's from the Team GB from the London Mint. You can get this particular coin for £2.50 from, which is the postage only, from London Mint, and you don't have to buy into any of their series. And the last one is the Entente Cordiale £5 coin, which is one that I needed for a filler for my £5 coin collection. As you can see, there's quite a varied range in there. If you've enjoyed this video, can you please give me a thumbs up? If you are, I am currently doing 5 or 6 videos a week. 5 is the bare minimum, and hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. I am trying to up my subscriber level this year. I'm almost at 290 subscribers now, and we're sort of about the 10th of March. I want to try and arrange to get 425 by the end of this year. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you so much for staying to the end, and from me, bye bye. Ta-da now. Oh, by the way, it doesn't cost you anything to subscribe or to give me the thumbs up. Cheers now. Bye bye.